Hello legends, welcome to another video from my channel. In this video, I'm going to update my long-term view on Bitcoin. As you might have watched my previous video that I did 2 weeks ago on Bitcoin, on that chart I determined my higher time frame Q levels, and I will do it quickly on this video and we will continue on. So as you can see that this is the yearly chart and this is the 21 yearly candle. So the body of this candle is important. I take the body and it can be as a resistance area. Now we go to the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, you can see that Bitcoin was in a bullish leg and then it did a correction to the downside. So currently it is within this bullish leg. So I take the low and high of this bullish leg on Bitcoin as a range to form a range, and this our range. So the mid-range of this range is a very essential level, and the price should hold this level. Otherwise, Bitcoin can be super bullish and go to this liquidity above this level. So this is a key level, and on the 21 yearly chart, this was the body. So this is also a resistance area, and we have 15 days left to close this monthly candle. If this monthly candle closes back below this line downside, then we can expect that Bitcoin continue this downtrend to the downside and once again go and touch this 20k level. And if this doesn't hold, it might go to this order block on the monthly around 12k. Yes, this one. So this will be the demand zone for Bitcoin in the coming months. Now we go to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, as I said on the previous video, that this up candle before this down move is bearish order block, and price is still within this bearish order block and could not go above. But I think price might go and take the liquidity from the highs of this bearish order block, because many long-term traders might swing traders might have placed their stops above this level. So price can go above this level and take some liquidity, then it dumps. So in the left side you can see that before this bullish up move, we had a down candle on the weekly, and this down candle was our order block that acted as support. Now as price went below this order block, it flips to a breaker. So I take this and form a resistance zone. This is our current breaker, and it will be a resistance area for Bitcoin in coming days. So basically Bitcoin has is facing a very important level of resistance. As you can see that this breaker block and this mid of this whole up move is here, and price will get rejected from this area to the downside. Now we go to the daily. On the daily time frame, 2 weeks ago I said that this is a resistance area, and actually I did a trade on this and shared that trade on my Telegram channel, that we shorted on here and targeted this liquidity below this low. So after that, price went up and flipped this resistance into support. So currently this resistance is a support area, and if price gets back below this level like this whole up move becomes deviation, and it can continue to go down towards 20k. So I remove this. Now we go back to the daily. In daily you can see that this down move is an essential move. Why this move is essential? Because it made some inefficiency and imbalance within its move, so it is essential. And we take the high to the low of this down leg, and farm a range on the daily. So this is the high and this is the low. As you can see that the mid-range of this range is uh, essential. It acted as resistance for several times, and now if price falls down, it flips to support area around 25k. So this is the first area of support if Bitcoin downs, and it will be a potential buying area to relong back to this area. And if this area doesn't hold the price might go all the way back down to this lows, and probably if for this time it goes below this low, I think it will go to the range low around here and possibly to this order block. So this is the daily time frame, and as you can see, it is approaching to this resistance area. It might get above this line and in dumps, or it dumps from here and deviate, deviate this resistance area and then goes lower. So this is the plan for coming days that I have on Bitcoin, and I'm expecting that this resistance zone might push the price lower and flip this bullish uptrend into the bearish trend. So to conclude, you can see that here we have this levels. This will be the first level of support for Bitcoin in coming days. This will be the second that I will be looking. And overall, Bitcoin is within this up move leg. So this is the high, and it can easily do a correction towards the 50% of this up move leg. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you soon.